Unlock a world of hidden real estate opportunities by mastering the art of finding vacant houses. Vacant houses often signify motivated sellers, making them prime targets for investors. And Dealmachine is your ultimate tool for spotting these hidden gems, even if you're just starting out. One of the most effective methods is driving for dollars. Simply open the Dealmachine app, hit the drive button, and start cruising through neighborhoods that show potential. As you drive, if you spot a house showing signs of vacancy, like overgrown lawns, boarded windows, or stacked mail, just tap the New Property button on your screen. The app instantly captures the address using your location. You can then add specific notes about what makes you believe the property is vacant, and even snap a photo directly from your device. Alternatively, you can use Dealmachine's powerful map search feature from anywhere. Type in an area you're interested in, then apply filters to specifically look for properties with indicators of vacancy or absentee ownership. This method quickly highlights potential vacant homes on a map, saving you time and giving you a bird's-eye view of opportunities in a specific market. Once you've identified a property, Dealmachine works its magic. It automatically pulls property data, including owner information, allowing you to connect directly with potential sellers. By consistently using Dealmachine to track and manage these properties, you'll build a pipeline of potential deals and transform overlooked houses into profitable investments.